I'm just doing a little video. Oh, I got my new truck, or my old truck back out, actually. But I'm doing a little video because we're going to get the bikes out and go for a cruise. It's Memorial Day, so I want to get a little ride. But first I got to move that Volkswagen out, and it's got no tire on the back. So I got to throw that tire on the back, set my tools back in the box, back that out, and back these out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And it's a little bit wet back here, but I think I can handle it. I think I can manage it. I gotta put a battery in there too, throw a tire on, and go. I just got the one tire on there. I gotta put the other four, but for right now I just want to get out of the trailer, but the tires look a lot better than the other one. This one over here is flatter than the mug. All my tools are in another truck, so that's all we can do. My bike is dead, so I'm gonna jump it with the truck. I'm talking to the camera. You doing a good job, babe?
Yeah, I'm trying to sweep this.
I can't believe what that rim did to the floor.
Me neither. Look, it left a circle.
From the weight of the car, because I had the car just sitting on there the whole time, all the way back from Florida. Or from South Carolina, actually, where the tire went flat in the trailer.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry.
Ashley's bike started right up, mine's dead, so we're going to get it running right now. I got the Volkswagen out, but the battery's dead, so I'm going to steal the battery off the golf cart. Got her. She didn't know I was recording. Bring it forward, hit the gas. This seems to be running fair now. This is my little Volkswagen TDI. We took it to Florida with us last time because we can put both our bikes and the car in the trailer and go, and it works awesome too. But now I stole the battery out of it when we got back here. First, I can't remember why, just to jump something. So now I had to steal it out of my golf cart to start the baby up. Ash just wanted to give me the keys. So he gets back here, start it up, then we'll start the bike up, then we'll take a ride. All right, got the bikes going, got them out of the trailer, got them running. Looking good, huh? I'm about to go for a little cruise. I'll take a video of my GoPro when I go. I wonder if I can figure out how to put my GoPro videos with my phone videos. Private road, we're gone. That's why. You can blame it on my revelries and blame it on. Bike ride in. We just got back, went to Arkwright to my brother's house and back, and it was a good ride. It's still beautiful out too.
gorgeous outside. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
It was very nice. Now, home sweet home. Go in and chill, watch some TV and eat some peanut butter and jelly.